Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, car sale scams and how you can avoid them. Let's get into it. Australians lost $2.8 million to car sale scams in 2022. Scammers are getting clever, and here's how you can protect yourself. First, watch out for fake buyers. They might claim to be from another state, offering to pay through a third party, and then ask you to cover transport costs. Once you've paid, they disappear. Always confirm payment and be wary of urgent requests. Next, beware of fake sellers. They advertise cars they don't own, often at too good to be true prices. If they avoid meeting in person or refuse to let you inspect the car, that's a red flag. Always check the car before finalizing any deal. Another common scam is the Defence Force trick. Scammers pretend to be military personnel selling their vehicle quickly before deployment, often at an unusually low price. If they're unwilling to meet or verify their identity, be cautious. To protect yourself, deal locally, verify all information, avoid making rushed decisions, and never use unverified payment methods. Trust your instincts. If something seems off, it probably is. To learn more about car sale scams to look out for, click the link in the description below. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe for more.